In this tutorial, we'll show you how to upload your videos to hosting. You can use the hosting platform to manage and share your content. You can upload videos that you have created using our desktop and mobile apps, or upload directly to the hosting platform from the files on your computer. Click this button to upload your videos. A new tab will open. Here, you will find a list of supported formats. You can drag and drop the videos you would like to upload, or click this button and select them. You will need to keep this tab open while the videos upload. You'll see a progress bar here. Your upload time will vary based on your internet connection and the file size. If you would like to cancel an upload, just click the X. Once your video has begun uploading, click the title if you'd like to update it. After your video has successfully uploaded, the progress bar will turn green and a checkmark is displayed. You will then be able to preview the video, copy a link, create a quiz if your plan includes that feature, or click to edit the video details. Clicking Details opens a new tab where you can edit all of the video information, customize the appearance, and get sharing information. Use the video editor to seamlessly edit your uploaded videos. While your videos upload, you can manage content or click on some of the helpful links we have provided. Upload videos from any device to build your content library for easy sharing with our content hosting platform.